Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna review the OG Royal Enfield Classic 350, which is known for its power and style. And this is a rear profile of the vehicle. The vehicle is very bulky, and you can see the suspension and the right side profile. And this is a Classic 350 badging. The model which I am reviewing now is the Classic 350 red color, and this looks very stylish. And this is a front profile and the front wheel, and there is also a placement of reflector on the front side, which is given as a safety feature. This is comes under the accessory, the engine guard, which is strong enough and which can also take the impact. And this is the brake levers and the clutch, and this is how it looks from the front. And this is our instrument cluster, and this is a key of Royal Enfield Classic 350, which is similar to the old one. And this is how the vehicle gets started. There is also a provision for the cluster screen which only display the Google Maps when connected, and this is a hidden USB port for charging your mobile. The main thing is that it is hidden and unnoticeable. Most of the people think that there is no port in new version of Classic 350, but there is a port. You should use a mobile mount to use it on the go. And these are the indicators, and the sound is also perfect. And this is the left indicator, and this is how it looks from the side when the indicators are on. This is a stock exhaust which comes with the vehicle, and there are no tampering has been done on this. And this is the original one, and this is the engine area, and this is the brake, and this is how the vehicle gets started. The main disadvantage in this vehicle is the braking, and not in this vehicle itself. Most of the Royal Enfields are lagging by the braking because their braking is not efficient and effective, which leads to accidents. The engine area is being optimized properly, and there are no interruptions between the gears and the engine part, so you can easily access the gears and switch between them easily. Through this switch you can turn on and off the vehicle, and this is a hazard lamp switch. You can see the hazard lamps are turned on, and this is how it looks from rear and front when the hazard lamps are on. And this is a rear badging, and this is a grab handle which is standard and strong enough, and the seat quality is also good, and as is a split seat in Classic 350, and the leather quality also is fine. And this is a instrument cluster and the odo, and there is a digital odo in this, and this is a provision which I am talking about, the cluster display. And this is how the headlight functions, high beam and the low beam, which is handy, and you can switch between them very easily. This button is used to access the odometer. You can check the trip and fuel. And this is a side profile, and this is a reflector I am talking about, and this is a brake, and this is the spoke wheel, which is very efficient as compared to the alloy. And these are the rear foot pegs which are cannot be turned, and this is a suspension, and the suspension of this vehicle is very good and comfortable for the rider and the pillion. And this is the rear tail light, which is bright enough and visible to the other vehicles. And this is a Royal Enfield badging on the fuel tank, and the side profile of the exhaust, which is well designed. And this is a brake, and I have said it earlier, the braking is not good. And this is a grab handle, side grab handle. Coming to the horn, this is the horn placement switch, and the horn is loud enough, and which is mainly known sound of this bike. Most of the people recognize the bike through the sound. And this is the ride experience. The ride was very smooth. I had tested the vehicle in the inclined part and even the steepier ones, and the vehicle was too good, but only disadvantage is the overweight, and the handle stability is also not up to mark. And this is a fuel tank, and there is another disadvantage: the fuel level cannot be noticed when you open this. there is a partition between them for the smoother flow of fuel, which is a disadvantage. If you like the content, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share it with your friends.